और हमें ना विमेन को वर्कफोर्स में लाना है. I think something, we are so lucky around us, there are so educated women, but if you actually go look at statistics, इंडिया में 70% मेल काम करते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ 20% फीमेल्स काम करती हैं. हमारे देश में 20% फीमेल्स इन द वर्कफोर्स. तो 20% को हमें लेकिन द गुड न्यूज इज 60-70% से अपवर्ड्स आर एजुकेटेड. बेसिक एजुकेशन सरकार ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. सो वी नीड टू ब्रिंग विमेन इन वर्कफोर्स.
What would be your one advice to budding entrepreneurs who are planning to build, especially building in healthcare?
I think we are still budding entrepreneurs ourselves, so very young in our journeys, and like we said, we have to build for 20 years.
I was asking for advice for myself.
Then I think we should do a session where I take notes. You are lucky that you had a pad and you took some notes. I missed everything you said. No, but Vivek, I think as you would appreciate, for me, foundational things are extremely critical, and we are at the juncture of our journey. If you look at like top 10-20 companies by market cap on Indian Stock Exchange, they're all service companies. But if you look at top 10 companies, 15 companies on the Nasdaq or in New York Stock Exchange or Chinese Stock Exchange, they're product companies. And I think India needs to bring innovation. You'll be surprised, we are third largest in the world in writing research papers, but the problem is we are 9th in terms of citations. So I think we have to really do R&D which is valuable. We have to, as VC ecosystem, and that's a request to every VC out there, including ours, we have to support people who really do innovation in products, even in services, but who go after innovation. They have to allow them to fail, allow them to build, allow them to iterate. Because in the next 20 years, देखो दो सुपर पावर्स हैं, एक यूएस है, एक चाइना है. अब यूएस ने तो सारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग आउटसोर्स कर दिया चाइना को, और चाइना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग से सुपर पावर बन गया है. Any foundational industry which is going to be built in, and today AI is that, sustainability is that. और हिंदुस्तान के पास ना एक प्रॉब्लम है. हमारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हम लोग 150 करोड़ लोग हैं, लेकिन हमारे पास जगह बहुत कम है. So unlike a China, while manufacturing has to grow, but we'll not be able to build the kind of factories they build because our pollution, we are in Gurgaon, it is difficult. So हमारे को तो एक तो बहुत सारी सड़कें बनानी है, ताकि जितनी हम सड़कें बनाएंगे उतने शहर डेवलप करेंगे, और हमारे सब लोगों को छोटे छोटे शहरों को डेवलप करना है. सड़कें बनाते जाओ, बस सड़कें बनाते जाओ. सड़कें बनेंगी, ट्रांसपोर्ट बढ़ेगी, लोग ट्रैवल करेंगे, फैक्ट्री लगा पाएंगे, जगह लगा पाएंगे, और लोग जाएंगे, कंज्यूमर बढ़ेगा, कंज्यूमर खाएगा ज़्यादा, और सामान जाएगा तो और फैक्ट्री बड़ी होगी, और कंपनी बड़ी होगी, एंड साइकिल रोटेट्स. तो हमें बहुत सारी सड़कें बनानी है, हमें प्रोडक्ट इनोवेशन करना है, और हमें ना विमेन को वर्कफोर्स में लाना है. I think something, we are so lucky around us, there are so educated women, but if you actually go look at statistics, इंडिया में 70% मेल काम करते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ 20% फीमेल्स काम करती हैं. जर्मनी में 84% females and about 70% males. China is 70% females and about 67% males. तो females are working more. हमारे देश में 20% females in the workforce. तो 20% को हमें, लेकिन the good news is 60-70% से upwards are educated. Basic education सरकार ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. So we need to bring women in workforce. We have to get taxes higher. Maybe not higher, but maybe more number of people. Only 3% people pay taxes in India. 6% I think file, and only 3% pay. That number in a Western country is upwards of 40%. So we need to increase taxes. We have to take black money out of property. सारा पैसा वहाँ जाता है. Public market को बढ़ाते हैं. Public market बढ़ेगी. More startups will get capital. More people will innovate because there's an exit strategy, and we as a country will start doing well. So I think थोड़ी ज़्यादा लंबी एडवाइस हो गई है. But any fielding entrepreneur, be foundational. Please innovate on product and services. Do full stack, and don't just do a startup by seeing your colleague in your college or in your office raising $2 or $3 million. Money एक बार दो बार आ जाता है, पर धंधा build करने में literally you have to sleep on the office table and sacrifice family life.
Yeah, it's a commitment.
So please make commitment.